Hello, this is Retreat Briefing in Tuesday. It's February 20th. Today's topic is just like the stocks, the AI cryptos are bullish right now. So, recent stocks that led the US stock market are tech stocks. For example, Nvidia, which focus on making graphics, Microsoft, which focus on AI technology. They are leading the US stock market right now, so it seems like business related to AI seems to be bullish right now. So in crypto market, AI coins such as WorldCoin, the WLD, or Ocean Coin has increased a lot. So today we will be going to find out some AI coins and their characteristics. So this is a dominance picture, and Bitcoin's dominance seemed to decrease continuously, and Ethereum's seems increasing from morning, and the Tether dominance started to increase, and altcoins are decreasing right now. So the market seemed nice until today's early morning in South Korea time, but afternoon market will be very confusing, I think. So this picture is our Goya Dominance 1 chart from Monday's 2 p.m. to 1 p.m. today. The point increased continuously, as you can see right here. The points increased continuously, but starting from 9 a.m. today, it started to decrease. So today's night will be a important time, whether this bearish atmosphere will continue and end this bull market, or we might have a rebound. So there are coins that didn't get pumped yet, so I think the bull market will continue for a while. So this is a liquidation heat map for last 24 hours, and as you can see, Bitcoin and Ethereum moved in opposite ways. So as you guys saw from pictures of dominance, Ethereum shown a good flow, and Bitcoin is giving a downward trend, so which made long positions liquidated, and quite a lot of money were liquidated. And yeah, as you can see from this chart, the market is chaotic right now, and this is a liquidation heat map for 4 hours. It's 5 p.m. standard. And so starting from afternoon, the market seems increased for a little bit, but from 4-hour rect over here, you can see there's not much difference between long and short positions liquidation price, amount. So it increased a little bit, but still the market is very confusing. So I brought an article about the AI token, the world token. So recently the Ocean protocol and AGIX coin had a nice move, and the world coin has had a rocketing increase. So maybe a few years later they might rise more when the AI business takes place. So this article says that world price may run into headwinds due to those reasons, which is a token unlock, but the overall AI coins are showing good movements right now, so I hope you guys just keep an eye on it. And I brought some top 5 AI related coins or tokens, so which I mentioned starting this briefing. First one is FET. The Fetch AI token is a major cryptocurrency related to artificial intelligence AI, launched by a research team at the University of Cambridge in UK. So it aims to connect IoT devices and algorithms to enable collective learning through artificial intelligence. And second would be AGIX, which I mentioned just before, also known as Singularity Net. It provides a decentralized AI network and platform for AI services. So it assists AI developers worldwide in registering and sharing their AI models on an open marketplace for trading. And third one is a WorldCoin, which I mentioned today a lot. So it's developed by Sam Altman of OpenAI. OpenAI is the company which made the Chat GPT, who's leading AI model right now. So it's famous for showing positive trends when there is a positive news or developments in artificial intelligence. So additionally, it is connected to OpenAI since he made it, and therefore indirectly linked to Microsoft, a major shareholder in OpenAI. So this means that if Microsoft has a good news or OpenAI has a good news, it can affect both sides. So in the tech stock market, the good news for the artificial technology might affect Microsoft, and if the Microsoft is affected positively, this WorldCoin might also have a positive effect. So very important coin, I think. And Ocean, I missed the capital letters, also known as Ocean Protocol, combines blockchain and data economy technologies to create a decentralized ecosystem where individuals and businesses can easily monetize data tokens. And finally, the GRT, which is the Graph coin, is an indexing protocol for querying data that efficiently manages and provides data for various applications on the Web3 platform. It operates on the Ethereum blockchain base. So those were the 5 coins related with AI. And this picture is an overall news right now we can find in various websites. So you can see the Bitcoin ETF inflowed a lot, and there are 2 news to the Ethereum. So these are all seems quite positive, isn't it? And there's the world token news, which I mentioned just before. So in my perspective, since a lot of traders are hoping for Bitcoin to rise more, they are not selling what they have right now. And I think that's the reason why Bitcoin is defensing the further drop right now. So however, we never know that what will whales are going to do with it, so we need to be always careful. So this is a liquidation heat map for Binance chart based Bitcoins. Yeah. And as you guys saw from the early presentation, the dominance was falling. So you can see the Bitcoin's price is also giving an upside down movement right now. So, and it seems like they are giving a quite an atmosphere of falling, isn't it? So, which is called a bear market. So there are a lot of short positions around 53k right now. So I'm not sure if the whales would let them just have profits, but since the altcoins flow seems quite nice right now, and I think Bitcoin will stay in this price and just give a little up and down movement to make traders confused. But eventually I think it will rise up again. So let's have a look at Ethereum's liquidation heat map for today. Ethereum had an increase. Where is it? It's 20. Yeah, it's yesterday. We had an increase. So in yesterday's briefing, I said if it breaks through the $2,900. It will challenge up to $3,000, I said in the briefing, yesterday's briefing. So in Binance Exchange Standard, you can see that it risen all the way up to 2,988 and started to drop again. Now there are long positions gathering under the $2,900, so we can expect a further fall, but I personally hope Ethereum to try break through $3,000. So in conclusion, I think Ethereum will also give a up and down movement just like Bitcoin to make us confused for a while. And finally, this picture is a RSI heat map for last 4 hours. From yesterday's, you can see that many coins are between up more than 60 points. So by comparing for today's, you can see many coins just drop to between 40 and 60 points right now. And this means that we can see both rising or falling coins all together. So now it's time for you guys to focus on spot trading instead of futures, because it's much safer. Or take a rest for a while and trade after watching the market's directions. So let's have a look at more detail by watching our Goya Premium chart. So this is a dominance chart from right now. It's 5.2. It's not a good dominance. So you can see the market is overall moving in sideways. So Bitcoin, starting from February 16th, 15, it started to keep moving sideways, just giving us small up and down movements right now. So we got an L signal, but there still is a S2 signal, and it did break through Goya line for a little bit, but it went back down again. So there's S2 remaining, and there's this L sign failed to make an increase and supported by this Goya line. So seems like Bitcoin will gonna move just like in this box area for more. So I think we need a special news or something in order to break this box place. So let's have a look at our sell SR, which means buy sell price guidelines. So these places, which is to yesterday's highest point, if it rises back all the way up to here, I suggest you guys to sell the portion or everything. And this place is a good place for you to buy more Bitcoin and wait till it rises. But I'm not really sure, because the atmosphere seems this sideways movement will last quite long. We can never assure what will happen. So let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum seems increasing starting from yesterday. Yeah, it's a keep increasing atmosphere, but it eventually touched the Goya line and just moving all the way near here. So as you can see in this Binance chart, starting to drop again. So I think the Goya line failed to support the price of Ethereum right now. So if the price goes down more, those long positions under the $2,900 would have a hard time. So by looking at the signal S right now, and we had an L3 and LB and we didn't got any S or S2, so I'm not really sure about that, but by looking at the chart it seems like we're gonna have a short signal soon. So let's look at Ripple right now. Oh, instead of Ripple, let's watch the WorldCoin, which we mentioned in the presentation a lot. So let's have a look about two AI coins. You can see that it had a skyrocket. It started from $2 approximately. Yeah, it started from $2 and just became all the way up to $7 just in a week. So it priced more than triple times. It's 3.5 times. And now it seems like it's having a rest right now. So we have an S right here. And this LB signal is still remaining, but I think it's quite a rest time, so it's time to correct the proper market price time. So I personally think that it will fall for more, so this places might be a good place for you to buy, and if it rises again, this place might be a good place for you to sell. The sell and buy guideline also shows bunch of buy lines under these places, but sell line is all gathered in this place, so maybe it's a rest time for this AI coin. And let's look at Fetch. Fetch also had a good move, and the candlestick chart is all formed over the Goya line, and this S1 was deleted by this L1, and we got an S signal right now. So, and it's touching the Goya line, so if it is supported by this Goya line, it will rebound. So I suggest you to buy near the Goya line if you want to trade them, and sell first in this place, or if it just breaks through the Goya line and decreases, these places might be a good place for you to buy some. So thank you for today's briefing, and I hope you have a safe trade today. Thank you.